Hello out there to you. In this video, we're going to calculate price elasticity of demand as a percentage change, which means we're not going to find it with the midpoint method. We're just going to go down the demand curve. But here we have the expenditure. So how much did the household spend given a certain price. So we need to figure out the quantity because price elasticity of demand formula is the percentage change in the quantity demanded, over percentage change in price. So we have the prices. I'm going to make a little table over here. And then we know that the total expenditure at those different prices is different, but we need to know what the quantity is. So when the price is 6, expenditure is 120 rupees, and when the price is 10, expenditure is 180. So total expenditure, how much are we spending on that product, or how much is the household, comes from the price times the number of units. So we know all of this. If we wanted to do this a little slower, you could probably do this in your head, but 120 is 6 times Q. So then Q has to be 20. You can test out your math by just going 6 times 20 is 120. Okay. Do the same thing here. 180 equals 10 times Q. Q is 18. 18. Now I have enough to fill this in. Percent change formula is the new value, minus the old value over the old value times 100. So what I like to do is do the quantity first. So the new quantity is 18 minus 20, because that's where we came from, over 20. And this is really the difference, right? Times 100, so we get our percent. And then we're going to do the same thing for price. So our new price is 10. Our old price is 6. And then we came from 6 times 100. And we get some percents. So this is 2 over 20. That's 10%. I didn't need my calculator there. And this is 4 over 6. That's 2/3, which is like 66 or 67% or so. 10 over 66. I get 0.15. Okay, so 0.15 is the elasticity. And that's in absolute terms. This is really negative because the numerator in this case would be negative. So it'd be negative 0.15, or in absolute terms, 0.15. So that is inelastic because it is between 0 and 1, or you could say it is between 0 and -1. Either way, you get the same answer. So it's inelastic. So the step we had to take on the first part was we're given expenditure, so we had to figure out what the quantity was.